Okay, we'll see how much we can get onto one recording. The first one is Who'll Stop the Rain? And first we'll do that verse part and then the chorus. I heard the singers playing, how they cheered for more. Crowd and rush together, trying to keep warm. Your part again. I heard the singers playing, how they cheered for more. Crowd had rushed together, trying to keep warm. Now I'll do my part and see if you can stick with the other harmony. I heard the singers playing, how they cheered for more. Crowd had rushed together, trying to keep warm. And again. I heard the singers playing, how they cheered